Hey, Ellie. You want to go Hawaii? Got tired of the rainy weather. We're going to Hawaii.
Oh, okay, let's go.
Ready to go Hawaii?
Yeah.
We went to the wrong gate. We're gonna miss our flight. Oops. What do you have to say?
I'm sorry.
What do you have to say? Will they make it? Or will they die? What are you doing?
Let me help you do.
We did it, honey. We're going. Hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, aloha and welcome to Honolulu, Oahu.
We got into our hotel late, but got right on with enjoying ourselves on day 2.
Nice. Got the meat and cheese and crackers on the patio. Not bad. Just getting some steak and lobster going on the grill. Maybe vacationing, but we still gotta eat right. Cheers. Steaks. Steaks, lobster, baby. Hello. You excited about these steaks, David? Oh, yeah. I'm excited about these steaks. Hey, dinner time. Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, yeah. You ready for dinner, Ellie? You don't get any. All right, we're gonna go do some exploring on the island of Maui.
Papa, take a picture.
Okay. We're somewhere on the coast of Maui, exploring. Hey, what's up? Nice breeze, eh?
There's amazing ocean and mountain views everywhere you go in Maui. We discovered quickly, though, that hiking with a baby is a little bit rough.
Let's get it.
This isn't my usual first choice of off-road vehicle, but no complaints from me, other than the crazy sunburn. It's not a good vacation without a solid family photo op. And penguins.
You excited about the penguins?
Not really.
Oh, and epic sunsets on the beach.
Yeah. Sunset on the beach in Hawaii.
It's so awesome.
Guys, it doesn't really get much better than this.
There was also another way to view the sunset in Maui that we just had to check out.
Right now it looks kind of foggy here, but we're actually getting above cloud level. We're on our way up to Haleakala crater, which is above clouds.
We began the long ascent to Haleakala volcanic crater, with the clouds slowly changing from above us to below the roads we were driving on.
Driving above the clouds.
The light from the sun looks different above the cloud level. It's like it's more pure and undistorted.
So we're at about 9,000 or 10,000 feet, I guess. And the sky is just incredible above the clouds. We're gonna walk over to the edge here, take a better look.
If it wasn't freezing cold at this elevation, you could just sit here for hours taking in the view. A week in Hawaii was just the thing we needed to warm the bones up. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. It helps a lot. My name is Sean, and this has been The Story Till Now. See you next week.